In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set maximum hours in Hubstaff. If you want to control how many hours a team member can work, Hubstaff makes that process pretty straightforward. Setting a maximum hour limit can be useful for managing schedules, preventing overtime, and keeping work time aligned with your team's expectations. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to update so you can apply the limit correctly. To get started, sign into Hubstaff and make sure you're on your main dashboard. From there, look for the People section in the navigation menu and click on it. This area is where you manage team members, review member details, and adjust individual settings. If you're responsible for managing staff hours, this is typically where you'll begin. Once you're in the People section, find the member whose hours you want to limit and select their profile. Take a moment here to make sure you've opened the correct person, especially if your organization has several users with similar roles. Choosing the right member is important because the limit you set will apply specifically to that individual. After opening the team member's profile, look for the Work Time and Limits tab and click on it. This section contains the settings related to that person's working hours and restrictions. It's the place where Hubstaff lets you define boundaries for track time. So if you're trying to prevent someone from going over a certain number of hours, this is exactly where you need to be. Now, in the maximum hours or limit field, type in the number of hours you want to allow. Enter the value carefully, since this number will determine the cap for that person's work time. For example, you may want to use this for weekly scheduling, part-time team members, or temporary workload adjustments. Make sure the number reflects the policy you want to enforce for that user. Once the value is entered, double-check it before moving on, just to avoid setting the wrong limit by mistake. Even a small typing error can change how the system handles that team member's work hours. Keeping these limits updated is a good habit, especially when schedules change or responsibilities shift over time. And that's how to set maximum hours in Hubstaff. As you can see, the process is simple. Go to People, select the team member, open Work Time and Limits, and enter the hour limit you want. If you're managing multiple employees, repeating this process for each person can help keep your team organized and your time tracking under control.